Hello dear student, today I am going to explain about a revaluation account. That is another question about a revaluation account. Now, Chandar and Damini were partner in a firm sharing profit and loss equally on 31st March 2017. Their balance sheet was as follows: liabilities and assets, and adjustment about that question. On 1st April 2017, they admitted Elena as a new partner for 1 upon third part share in the profit on the following condition. First, Elena will bring 3 lakh as her capital and 50,000 as her share of goodwill premium, half of which will be withdrawn by Chandar and Damini. Second, debtor to the extent of rupees 5,000 were unrecorded. Third, furniture will be recorded by 10% and 5% provision for bad and doubtful debts will be credited on bill receivable and debtor. Fourth, value of land and building will be appreciated by 20%. And fifth, there being a claim against the firm for damages, a liability to be extent of 8,000 will be credited for the same. Prepare revaluation account and prepare capital account also. Now, first of all, we will prepare revaluation account, that is debit side of revaluation account, and this is credit side of revaluation account. First transaction about that. Second adjustment, debtor to be extend 5,000 were unrecorded. Now in this adjustment, assets is increased and all type of assets are increased that entered in credit side. Now, and second, furniture will be reduced by 10%. Find the value of furniture 1,10,000. 1,10,000 and find 10% of furniture, amount is 11,000, because assets is increased by 10%. Now next, and 5% provision for bad and doubtful debts will be credited on bills receivable and debtor. Listen carefully. In second adjustment, debtor to be extent 5,000 were unrecorded because that amount unrecorded. Total debtor is 75,000 and unrecorded debtor 5,000 equal to 80,000. Now here 80,000 into 5% because 5% provision. Find 4,000, and in this adjustment and other adjustment about bills receivable. Bills receivable provision for 5% and calculate on bills receivable. Find bills receivable. Find bills receivable 45,000. 45,000 into 5 upon 100 means 5% of bills receivable, 2,250, and equal to 6,250. I hope clear about. Now fourth adjustment, value of land and building will be appreciated by 20%. Appreciated means increase the value of assets. Now enter in this side because increase assets 20%. and value land and building 3,10,000. 3,10,000 into 20 upon 100 means 20% of land and building, amount 62,000. Now fifth adjustment, there being a claim against the firm for damages are liability to the extent of 8,000 will be credited for the same. In this adjustment, liabilities are increased by 8,000 and in this side, that is 8,000. Now after all adjustment, we will find balance. Balance is 41,750 because in this question Chandar and Damini both are old partner and profit and loss equally distributed, because now we will distribute that profit 41,750 divided by 2. Chandar gain 20,875 and same Damini 20,875. Now after that we will prepare capital account. In capital account, first of all enter old capital. Chandar 2,50,000 and Damini 2,16,000 entered in cross side, means all liabilities entered in this side and all transaction related to partner's name entered in this side and cross section. Now 250 and 2,60,000 entered in this side by balance BD 250 and 216. Now new partner Elena, the capital of Elena 3 lakh by bank in this side, and goodwill of Elena 50,000. 50,000 again distribute in according to old profit and loss ratio. 50,000 divided by 2, then premium of goodwill. Chandar gain 25,000 and Damini gain 25,000. Now new profit related to revaluation account in this side, revaluation account 20,875 and 20,875 Chandar and Damini. Now according to question, that line indicate half of which will be withdrawn by Chandar and Damini. In debit side to bank, Chandar half of the goodwill 25,000 divided by 2, 12,500, and 25,000 of Damini divided by 2, 12,500, same amount. And after that we will create balance of capital account and find balance BD, Chandar, Damini, and Elena. I hope all transactions and conditions